Ever wondered how to enable Bitcoin Wallet in Cash App? In this guide, we'll show you how to easily activate your Bitcoin wallet on Cash App and start using it to buy, sell, and transfer Bitcoin. To enable your Bitcoin wallet in Cash App, first, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Banking tab, which is the icon with the house or a bank at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on the Bitcoin section. If this is your first time using Bitcoin on Cash App, you may be prompted to enable the wallet. To do so, tap on Enable or Get Started. This will allow you to buy, sell, and store Bitcoin directly in Cash App. Next, you may be asked to verify your identity. This is part of Cash App's security process to protect your account. You'll need to provide personal details and may be asked to upload an image of your ID to confirm your identity. Once the verification process is complete, your Bitcoin wallet will be active. Once the wallet is enabled, you can use it to send and receive Bitcoin. You'll be given a unique Bitcoin address that you can use to receive Bitcoin from others. You can also buy Bitcoin by tapping on the Buy button, selecting the amount, and confirming the payment method. To send Bitcoin to an external wallet, simply tap on Send, enter the recipient's Bitcoin address, or scan their QR code, and confirm the transaction. You can also enable two-factor authentication to FA for added security when using your wallet. In conclusion, enabling your Bitcoin wallet in Cash App is a quick and simple process. By following the steps, you can activate your wallet, buy, sell, and transfer Bitcoin securely. Make sure to keep your wallet secure by using the FA and verifying your identity for additional protection.